how to fix Rocket League not launching on Epic Games easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it. First type here Windows, and here we'll find Windows Update Settings. Click on it. Now just check if there is an update for your Windows, and if you find an update, just update your Windows. Now let's move to the next step. Open Epic Games, and then open your files, go to Documents, my games, Rocket League, see a game. Wait, I will show it again. Just click my games and then click Rocket League, and here we'll find TA games. Click on it, and now here we'll find cache. Click on it, click delete, and that's it. Now all you need to do, just try to run it again and it will be worked. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.